villains from a story can turn into a huge problem when they become real pests.
Superhero, help me!
Fortunately, EverPest can drive away pests and insects the high-tech way. The latest ultrasonic technology produces waves that drive away all kinds of pests. It doesn't kill pests, it simply makes them want to leave.
Dad?
Because taking care of your home with EverPest is your superpower. So be the hero of your family. Protect them from the scary things that sneak in at night and let them know they're safe.